Georgie's Toy Box. I'm so excited because we are doing another unboxing, and today we're going to be unboxing three dolls. So the first doll that we're going to be unboxing would be one of the dolls that I've been wanting to get. It's the Fashionistas doll in number 138, and I believe it's the first Ken doll with actual hair. So that's so cool. Let's open him up and let's see what we've got. I just find it so funny with the Barbie dolls. They're like really tied down to the box, and with the Ken dolls they've just literally just put in the box. As you see, there's nothing to cut, you just need to open the box and ta-da, you can take him out. But I have no idea why they really strap the other Barbies in so much. But yeah, anyway, so we've got this Ken doll. He's so handsome. I think he's got moss green eyes and dark sort of blonde hair, and he's wearing a tie-dye shirt. You guys know I love my tie-dye. I think it's really cool. He's wearing denim shorts and white sneakers, and his hair's a bit stiff. I think it's probably gelled or something, I'm not sure, but I'm not going to mess around with it too much. But yeah, he's really cool, and he's got the 5 points of articulation, so on the head. I'm not going to mess with the hair though, but we've got his arms that move and his legs, both his legs move. Yeah. So that's our first doll. The second doll that we're going to open is another Fashionista doll. She's number 144, there's the price there. And I think she looks so beautiful. Love her hair, I love her earrings, I love her accessories. So yeah, so this is a funny thing. So I'm going to open her now, and look, she's got a little bit of a tab on the zip here, so I have to cut that open, which is a little bit annoying, but not too annoying, you know. Yeah, so we finally got that open, and now we're just going to slide her out. She's in a container. There's a little animated sort of cartoon version of her, which is really pretty. Yeah, that's really cool. And wow, she's so cool. She looks so cool. I love her. So anyway, as I was saying about the Barbie dolls, they're all like strapped down to the box. Like for example, you can see that she's got elastics here that's holding her down, and then you've got another one that goes around her body, and then you've got some holding her shoes. So I'm not going to cut this because I want to keep her slippers on. And as anyone who collects Barbies know, especially with the more recent Barbie dolls, for some reason the sandals never stay on the feet for some reason. But yeah, it's so cool. She's so pretty, guys, so pretty. Yeah, and I love her earrings. They're super cool. So I'm just going to snip this carefully without damaging her shirt. And I think that's it. Just holding her in here. Okay, we got her out. We got you out. Yeah. And then I'm gonna slowly just cut this out because I don't want to cut her hair. Just gonna cut the elastics. Get her out. So she's Fashionista number 144, if I'm correct. And I got her for a while back. I love her hair. It's so cool. It's in braids. I love her earrings, and she's wearing a animal print sort of green shirt, pink shorts, and white sandals. And she's got the 5 points of articulation, the head, the arms, and the legs. So yeah. And the next doll that we have is actually a petite doll, and it's actually a Barbie career doll. And this is how she looks like. She's a pet vet. So as you can probably see later on, we'll be having some play, and you guys will see her in action while she's working. And yeah, so she's a petite doll, as you can probably see. I'm not sure if she's a little bit taller than the Skipper dolls, but yeah, she comes with the white coat, the stethoscope, and a little kitty right there. So let's open her up. So exciting. As you guys probably watched from my other video, it's my dream to be a vet. So yeah, and also I'm hoping to get the Barbie Pet Vet Center. So I have a pet groomer outfit already. So we just need our vet. So yeah, that was, yeah, and that's how she looks like. She looks very pretty, guys. She's got brown hair, kind of like a hazily eyes. She's wearing this very cute dress with cats, dogs, bunnies, paw prints, bones. Really cute. She's wearing really cute purple shoes, and she's holding a kitty, a grey kitty. I'm not sure if that's a British short hair, British long hair, I'm not sure. That breed of cat that's sort of greyish in colour. But yeah, so that's her, and she's got the 5 points of articulation, head, arms, and legs. So yeah, and she's all unboxed. 3 dolls. So we've got a Ken doll, a Barbie doll, and a curvy Barbie doll, and a petite Barbie doll. So I'm excited to play with these guys. Yay! So today we're going to be playing with the Barbie mini vet playset, and this comes with a puppy, a little treat for the puppy, a stethoscope to listen to our puppy's heartbeat, a feeding bowl, that would be a shampoo. I'm not really sure what this is called, but it's to check his ears. And we've got a sink, and we've got a collar, or what they call an Elizabethan collar. And we also have a crate right here, which you can take out and open. And that's what we're going to be playing with today. We also comes with another cardboard paper. This is of a cat, an X-ray of a cat. As you can see here, we've got a dog, but you can just simply slide that out. And pop in a cat. So yeah, that's the vet play center.